Once upon a time, in a distant kingdom nestled deep within a mystical forest, there lived a blind princess named Alina. She was known throughout the realm for her kindness, wisdom, and her remarkable ability to perceive the world through her other senses. Princess Alina had been blind since birth, but she had learned to navigate her world with grace and elegance, relying on the whispers of the wind, the rustle of leaves, and the songs of birds to guide her. One fateful day, as Princess Alina was strolling through the fragrant rose garden that surrounded the palace, she heard a soft, melodic voice coming from the depths of the forest. Intrigued, she followed the sound, feeling the uneven ground beneath her delicate feet. The voice led her to a quaint cottage tucked away beneath the towering trees. Inside the cottage, Princess Alina discovered an old lady with long, silver hair and a twinkle in her eyes. The old lady introduced herself as Alara, a wise and powerful witch who had watched over the forest for centuries. "Princess Alina, I have sensed your presence long before you arrived," Alara said with a warm smile. "I know of your desire to see the world as others do, to witness the colors of a sunset and the beauty of a blooming flower. I have the power to grant you sight, but I will offer you 3 conditions that you must fulfill." Princess Alina listened attentively, her heart racing with hope. "Please, tell me the conditions, and I will do whatever it takes to regain my sight." Alara nodded and began to explain the conditions. "First, you must spend a week in complete darkness. You must learn to appreciate the world without sight, to understand the depths of your other senses, and to find the beauty that exists within the darkness." Princess Alina hesitated for a moment, but her determination overcame her doubts. "I accept the first condition. Second, you must learn to see the beauty in others, not just the outward appearance, but their true essence. To do this, you must spend a month in the company of those who are often overlooked and underestimated in society." Princess Alina nodded with determination. "I accept the second condition. Finally, you must bring me a rare and precious gemstone that can only be found at the heart of the crystal caverns, a treacherous and perilous journey that will test your courage and resolve." Princess Alina agreed to the third condition, knowing that the reward of regaining her sight was worth any challenge. Over the next weeks and months, Princess Alina embarked on her incredible journey. She spent a week in darkness, learning to appreciate the world through her other senses. She then ventured into the kingdom's bustling streets, spending time with the less fortunate and discovering the inner beauty that existed in every soul. Her heart swelled with empathy and love for her people. Finally, she embarked on the perilous journey to the crystal caverns, guided by her newfound senses and the strength of her spirit. She faced many dangers along the way, but her determination never wavered. After a long and arduous journey, she reached the heart of the caverns and found the rare gemstone, a radiant crystal that shimmered with 1,000 colors. Returning to Alara's cottage, Princess Alina presented the gemstone to the old witch. Alara smiled warmly and waved her hand over the crystal, transforming it into a small, glowing orb. She gently placed the orb in Princess Alina's hands. "By fulfilling these conditions, you have proven your worthiness," Alara said. "Now, close your eyes and hold the orb." Princess Alina obeyed, closing her eyes and clutching the glowing orb tightly. As the warmth spread through her fingers, a brilliant light filled her world. Slowly, she opened her eyes, and for the first time in her life, she saw the world in all its vibrant and breathtaking glory. Tears of joy streamed down Princess Alina's cheeks as she marveled at the colors, the faces, and the beauty of the world around her. She turned to Alara with gratitude in her heart. "Thank you, dear Alara, for giving me the gift of sight." Alara smiled and nodded. Remember, princess, that true beauty lies not just in what the eyes can see, but in the depths of your heart and the kindness you show to others. Use your sight wisely, and may your kingdom be forever blessed by your newfound vision. And so, Princess Alina ruled her kingdom with compassion and wisdom, never forgetting the lessons she had learned during her journey. She cherished her gift of sight and used it to bring light and beauty to the lives of all who crossed her path, proving that sometimes, the most precious things in life are worth waiting and working for.